Welcome to my class admin. In this module, we'll see how to use assignment module. By using this module, you can share, check and evaluate the assignment. Also, you can correct the students by pointing out the exact mistake. Even for the students, it is very simple process to view and upload an assignment. So let's start with this module. First, we have to log in. Then on the left hand side bar, there is the option of manage task. Then click on assignment. Now select the course, select the subject, batch and click on add button. Now provide a name to the assignment. If you want to give an instructions to students regarding the assignment, then type here. Now provide the start date and time. And end date and time. Provide grading types, whether you want to provide grades or marks. I'm selecting the marks. Now select the submission type. In written photo submission, students can submit the file in the form of photo, and in the electronic submission, students can submit the file in the form of PDF. Now it's upon you how you want to provide the marks. Here you can provide total marks of assignment, and here you can provide question wise marks. Now enter the number of main questions which are available in the assignment. You can enter any number of main questions here. Now provide question wise marks. Total 20 marks of assignment. Now upload the assignment. The assignment you want to upload must be present in your system, and it should be TXT, doc and these formats. Give a name to this assignment file. If you want to add more than one file, then click here on add more file. And now click on submit button. Now if you want to edit anything of the assignment, then click here on edit. I'm changing the end date. And click on update. The changes will be saved. Now we'll see how the students will view and upload the assignment. First, students have to log in. Then on the left hand side bar, there is the option of assignment. Here your latest assignment will appear. If students want to search any past assignment, then enter the start date, end date and select subject, and then click on search assignment. Your previous assignment will appear. Now, if students want to view the assignment, then click here below the document. Due date is the last date of the submission of the assignment. Current status is not submitted. So, let's submit the assignment. Click on upload. Here, student submission type is photo. Means student can upload the photo of their written assignment. The file should be in this format, and maximum 25 files are allowed to upload. Provide the file name. If student wants to convey any message with his professor regarding the assignment, then student can type here. and click on submit. Now your status is submitted. Now I am coming to class admin's account. If you want to search the assignment, you can enter start and end date and click on search button. Now for view and evaluate the assignment, click on students. Here you will get roll number wise names of the students and their status. Here status is submitted. So first view the assignment. You can read the student's note. Now provide the status. If you want the students to re-upload the assignment, then click on re-upload and provide the comment and click on submit button. Now I am coming to students account. Here students will see the status is re-upload. Here student can read the comment provided by professor. So re-upload the assignment. Provide file name and click on submit button. Again I am coming to class admin's account. Again view the assignment. If you find the assignment is correct, then provide a status as evaluated. Provide comment. You can provide the question wise marks here and click on submit button. Now in the evaluate assignment, you can point out the mistakes. You can correct the answers manually by using marker pen. Now do a right click. From here you can type a text on the assignment. Double click. Type a text here. And from here you can provide question wise marks. And click on save all. Now I am coming to students account. Status is evaluated. Click on view. Students can see the comments and their marks. And here student can see their evaluated assignment. Now I am coming to class admin's account and we'll see how the electronic submission of an assignment will work. Provide assignment name, instructions, start date and time, end date and time. In grading type, I am selecting grades. In submission type, I am selecting electronic submission. In this type of submission, student will submit their assignment in PDF format. Provide question wise marks and upload assignment file. I have already uploaded the assignment file. Provide a file name and click on submit button. Now I am coming to students account. Here students can view the assignment. Click on upload. Submission type is electronic, means student can submit the assignment in PDF, PPT and this format, but most preferable format is PDF. So choose the file and upload it. Provide file name and click on submit button. Now I am coming to class admin's account. Just like in previous assignment, view the assignment. provide the status and overall grade, provide comment and question wise marks, and click on submit button. So this is how, by following simple procedure, students can submit the assignment and teachers can evaluate the same. Thank you.